Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. Next, we'll demonstrate how to disassemble the toilet seat lid assembly. After flipping up the toilet seat lid assembly, you can lift from the lower section here, or you can lift the seat. The entire toilet seat lid assembly can be lifted up. If it's your first time disassembling it, it may take considerable force. Once disassembled, the entire toilet seat lid assembly can be lifted upward. Flip it backward and you'll see the water hoses. First, unscrew the two side flush hoses. If the toilet has been used, there will be water inside, so be sure to watch out. After unscrewing the two side hoses, next is the main water hose. The main water hose is generally harder to remove. You may need to use a wrench to assist. Once all the hoses are disconnected, there's still one foot sensor cable on the right side. Loosen the connector for the foot sensor cable first, then unplug it. After that, there's just one power plug remaining. At this point, you can fully remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Prepare the above tools in advance. After removing the assembly from the toilet ceramic body, first open the cover. The fixing screws are located on both sides of the cover, each covered by a decorative sticker. Peel off the decorative stickers first. After removing the fixing screws, separate the cover. After separating the cover, there are connecting cables between the base and the cover. These need to be removed. That completes the separation of the base and cover. Next, we'll be replacing the remote control receiver module. The base and cover have already been separated. The receiver has only one cable that connects to the main board. So first, loosen its mounting screws. Then locate its cable connection on the main board, and you can remove the receiver. Start by gently pulling out the cable, which is connected to the bottom part of the main board. Unplug the cable. Then detach the receiver completely. This completes the removal. After receiving the new receiver, you can arrange the cable first. Feed the cable from underneath and plug it into the back of the main board. After reconnecting it properly, put the main board back into its original position. Once the main board is in place, reinstall the receiver in its original location. Next, secure the main board with screws. After it's fixed, check the cables and hoses. Make sure the hoses are not bent and the cables are securely connected. Finally, reassemble the base and cover. After the repair is complete, reconnect the base and cover. Pay attention to the connecting cables. Each plug has an extra slot as a guide. After reconnecting the cables, check for any issues. If all is normal, reassemble the base and cover. Reinstall the fixing screws. Reattach the decorative pads. Next, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly onto the toilet ceramic body. After finishing the repair and installation, when reassembling the toilet seat lid assembly onto the toilet ceramic body, first organize the cables, and then the hoses. Start by tightening the main inlet hose in the middle. Be careful with the threading. If misaligned, it'll be very difficult to screw in. If it feels hard to turn halfway through, use a wrench to assist. After the installation is complete, place the toilet seat lid assembly back into its original position. Press down the locking clips, then reconnect everything. Open the water valve and plug in the power.